Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pinpointing who will learn and what measurable change you expect. This drives every design choice. Once done, map 3 objectives tied to assessments so you can test effectiveness. Make sure to collect core content and 1 SME to validate accuracy, then choose a rapid prototype format like a 1-hour module. This first actionable step prevents wasted work and focuses iterations on real learner needs rather than assumptions. You now translate objectives into a scaffolded learning path that moves learners from activation to skill practice. This sequence supports retention. Once mapping is set, pick formats that match objectives, use scenarios for decision skills, simulations for procedures, and microlearning for recall. Make sure to embed frequent formative checks and clear rubrics so learners know progress and you can iterate. Pair activities with required resources and time allocation. You conclude by piloting the module with a representative cohort to validate learning and logistics. This reveals usability and content gaps quickly. Once pilot data is in, adjust sequencing, task difficulty, or feedback mechanisms to improve mastery. Make sure launch plans include tracking metrics and clear support channels. If rollout problems arise, use a rollback to pilot version and targeted fixes. This minimizes learner disruption while you iterate toward full deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.